Let's get a little start up the car. How dirty this thing is. There's me, guys. What is good, guys? And as y'all can see, I am not holding my phone. So like, what's holding my phone? I'll show y'all right here. I got this product off Amazon, and it's a suction cup mount. So then you can suction it up to your car and put your camera on there, and you can put your phone on there. It's pretty cool. It was about 20 bucks, $10 for shipping. So it wasn't too bad. It was a pretty good budget price, and it works good because like right now it's suction on. It's holding my camera. My camera's pretty heavy, but you can hook it up to glass like what I have it hooked up to my window right now, or you can hook it up to the outside of your car. And that's what I'm gonna do in this video. That's why I brought my trusty dusty, wait, that's not the word. That's why I brought my GoPro. I'm gonna hook up my GoPro to it and then put it on my car. But I finished set this up somewhere else because it's kind of in my field of view. I had it on my windshield, but it's a pain in the butt to get on the windshield. I don't know where I have the camera at, but we're gonna see. Okay, I just got my camera set up right now, and I have it set up on the other, like, passenger window, but I'm on a gravel road right now. It's a little bumpy, and the suction cup is still working good. Hasn't fallen off yet. Hopefully it doesn't. We're about to get on the road with this thing. Let me show you how it is. See, this is way, oh, it's kind of loud. This is way better than actually holding my camera up, tripod or something. So now I can just talk and drive in the safe way. The second thing is right now is that the lighting, the good lighting, like the sun is right there, so it's not really good lighting right now. But yeah, I love this product because I can just suction it anywhere in my car and it works good, and I don't have to hold up my camera. Also, the product, the box comes with some wet wipes, so then you can clean it, because if it gets dirty, it's not going to suction cup on, and you don't want your camera to fall if it's really expensive. Oh, speaking of that, if you hook up your camera onto the outside, I would rather much let y'all do with the GoPro. You can do with the because I do not trust a $30 product to hold up my camera. Okay guys, it's late at night right now, but we got the GoPro hooked up to the top of the car. Oh, you see Kenzie, turn the light off. We got the GoPro at the top of the car in the front. Hopefully it looks nice. Hopefully it doesn't fall. But we got Kenzie driving, and yeah, she can totally drive. Okay, but we can switch to the GoPro right now. Okay, well the GoPro is still up there, and the fastest probably went is like 30, but now I'm gonna get in the driver's seat and we're gonna go on the actual road and see if it'll stay on after going 60 miles per hour. And there's a dog in the road.
Please turn around. Please stay right there.
There you go. Okay guys, well I was going like, I went like 6 miles per hour, and the good thing, the GoPro is still up there. I'm gonna somehow get it off. Okay, I'll suction it off. And now, that's how easy it was to get it off.